I'm Kelsey Deenihan, Avon celebrity makeup artist, and I'm here with
Patty Costello.
And today I'm gonna show you how to get an instant lift to your face. We are gonna begin this lift by using the Avon True Color Highlight and Contouring Stick. And we're gonna start with the light side and just lift up every corner of your face. So we're gonna start at the mouth and kind of just draw upward and out. I'm gonna warm it up in my hand a little bit. Go up right here on the eye. I'm gonna kind of pull the corner of the eye directly out. Around the nose, you're gonna lift that too, right in here. So next, I'm gonna take the contour and go from the top of the ear towards the corner of the mouth, right in this kind of motion. And I'm gonna blend that out so that we don't have any harsh lines. We just have a little bit of a shadow. Now with the highlight, I'm gonna just kind of lift everything up. And I like to use my finger a lot of times because your finger is a little warm and it's really just gonna kind of marry the product into the skin. And then I'm going to add a little of the Avon True Color Be Blushed. And this is just a cream blush, really subtle color. And I'm just gonna put it on the high cheekbone. Again, everything going upward. I like to do a lot of little motions and really stipple it onto the skin. Next, I'm gonna take the new Illuminator. I'm gonna do this straight out of this because I really want it to give really good payout there. That's just gonna highlight our lift a little bit. I'm gonna place a little bit of that under your brow bone as well, just to really make the eye pop. And then to finish our look, can never leave without your lipstick, of course. Just a little bit on the lips, and this is the Avon True Color Cherry Blossom. And then to really lift the corner of the mouth one more time, I'm gonna go in with the highlight and really pull up the side of the mouth. Now that I've lifted this side of the face, it's really an illusion when you use the light and the dark, the highlight and the contour. So you can really see that this angle right here on the eye now, this of the contour and this of the highlight and this of the highlight on the mouth is really gonna be different than this angle that the eyeshadow is now at. You know, we made it go like this. So that immediately is going to lift the face. And who doesn't want that extra lift?